Hello, Sitara. I hope you're enjoying your holidays. I'm just having a look at your assignment here, and I see that you've chosen three assignments to do, which is good. Hydrogen, the red writing is a bit difficult to see on this background, so that's a bit of a shame. Um, you also needed a picture of, oh, here it is, you've got a picture of hydrogen. It's so simple, isn't it? So that information is good. Chemical equations, that was really good. I'm glad you included that. And then you've got one interesting fact. Perhaps you could have a few more interesting facts about hydrogen. Oxygen is your second element that you've chosen. You needed a Bohr diagram, like this one. Uh, oh yeah, there it is. So that's really good that you've got that there. And you've got the background information. And chemical equation, and one interesting fact. You could have had maybe a few more interesting facts there. Oxygen, carbon. You've got some background information, a good picture of carbon. You have the Bohr diagram of carbon and its elemental information. Chemical equation, which is good, um, and an interesting fact. Again, a few more would be good. And you didn't have a bibliography. So for every website that you visited, you need to copy the URL and put that in a like as a list in your bibliography. So you needed to include that. But you've handed it in on time, so that's really good. And I'm going to give you a very high. So congratulations and enjoy the rest of your holidays. Okay, bye bye.